Hi, I'm going to show you how to convert an EPUB file, also known as an ebook file, into a PDF. So one thing I've done here is I've found a book. This one comes with a publisher file. The publisher file is in an EPUB format, a format that cannot be opened on a regular computer. So what you have to do when you find these is if there is anything other than the EPUB file in the folder, you want to go ahead and delete it. This is basically just a cover, an image of the cover. It's also in the EPUB file, so it's not necessary to keep, but you want to delete that for the next part. Then you'll actually go into Firefox. We'll give it a second to open here. Okay. And you want to go to this specific website. www.go4convert.com and then add a /ebook-2-pdf. And hit enter. This is the website that should show up. You'll see Go for Convert, this little feet logo, and you'll see their volume of files that they've uploaded. So what you want to do here is load from disk. Just give it a second. Go into WS Tasks, eTasks, find the book, whatever the name of the book is. In this case, it's Jacobus. Go into Publisher File, select the EPUB. Agree. Click Agree. It's okay if you don't agree. So it's working on uploading the document right now. It's about 20% done, and it does take a minute, so I'm going to go ahead and pause and start up when it comes back on. Okay, so it's finished uploading, and now you will see it says document is processing, please wait. This says it can take up to 10 minutes depending on how large the file is. In this case, it's actually pretty large. It's 75,000 kilobytes. So I'm going to pause it again, but just to show you that it is working in this, do not refresh the page, even if it takes a very long time, because that way then you'll have to restart all over again. Hi. So we are back. It is all set. It has gone ahead and made the EPUB file into a PDF. So what we want to do is open it with Adobe. It's going to download. This shouldn't take too long though. Click the download right there. It's going to open up here. See why I said you could just delete the JPEG? Because it makes it so that you can't actually use the converter, but the cover for the book is already here. So then you'll just click File, Save As. One thing you'll notice with EPUB to PDF converted books is that they have a very large page number, larger than average, because what it is with a Kindle, it says much less words per page because it's trying to read it on a smaller screen. So if you see that, that is why. So we're just going back into the book. We'll make a new folder. I'm calling this PDF 2 because we already have one. We've already done this with this book in particular. And we're going to go ahead and change the name. So this is Jacobus Bedford Introduction to Drama 8th. Oh, excuse me, 8th. And then hit save. And it's all set. That's all you have to do. It's just working on saving it now. It's just taking a second. Still working on it. But yeah, once it's done with this process, because like I said, this is such a large book, it does take a second to do this, and then it is all set. And now you know how to change an EPUB file into a PDF. And from here you can break it apart, convert it to CASI, do everything like you normally would. And you don't have to worry about fighting with the EPUB format, because this website that I showed, this Go4Convert, has, out of all the websites we looked at, probably the best option for converting from EPUB to PDF. So there you go. Have fun converting and have a good one.